Hi everybody, and welcome back to Cozy Corner Stories Craft Time. So today we are going to make something that goes moo and gives milk. Only ladies. So in your craft kit, you're going to get a large popsicle stick. Might be different colors. You are going to get a large circle. You're going to get 2 googly eyes. We like our googly eyes. You're going to get 2 pink circles. And you're going to get these lovely, what is it? They're kind of ovals, aren't they? But they are ears. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your popsicle stick, and you can use white glue. I'm going to use a glue stick today. And we're going to glue our big circle to our popsicle stick. Well, hopefully I got it kind of centered. I don't think I did. Then you're going to take your glue again, and you're going to go to the bottom of the circle, and you're going to glue it on this side. Then you're going to take your other pink circle, and we're going to put it on the other side. So it kind of looks like that. And then we're going to take our ears and we're going to put it on like this. And then we're going to do the other one, of course. Starting to look like a cow. Did I give the secret away? And then we're going to put the eyes on. One eye and 2 eyes. There you go. So there's your cow. And what you can do is you can take a black marker and you can make cows, some Holstein cows. They actually have black markings on them. And also there's going to be one more thing that we're going to put on this. I'll be right back. So I got some green raffia. That's also going to be in your kit. And fortunately this one I definitely need to have glue. And so what I did is I put a little bit of glue right there. And now he or she looks like she's eating grass. And so I hope you guys enjoy this one and would love to see your cows. And you can do, what's a cow rhyme? Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. Maybe I'll do the rest of the rhyme and story time. So we'll see you Thursday, 10:30 for our Facebook story time. Okay? And I hope you guys are enjoying our crafts, and please send your completed crafts to us. We love to see them. Okay? Bye everybody. See you soon.